Uber to test feature to record audio during rides in Brazil. Mexico. Uber will pilot its new opt-in safety feature to let users record audio through its app during an ongoing ride in select cities in Brazil and Mexico. Starting December, users will be able to submit the clip if they wish to report a safety incident after a ride. Riders and drivers won't be able to listen to the recorded audio. Up rail coach factory to employ India-made humanoid robot. Sona 1.5 railway coach factory in Uttar Pradesh's Bareli tested an indigenously made humanoid robot, Sona 1.5, on November 18. The factory aims to employ the robot to transport documents from one spot to another, welcome visitors and help in technical interaction and other types of training. It's the first robot in the world with human-like spine technology, an official statement read. Twitter accuses UK's ruling Conservative Party of misleading public. Twitter accused the UK's ruling Conservative Party of misleading the public after it renamed one of its official Twitter accounts. The CCHQ press account was renamed Fact Check UK during a live debate involving PM Boris Johnson and Labour leader Jeremy Corbyn. UK Foreign Secretary said that the name change was an instant rebuttal to the nonsense put out by the Labour Party. Apple wins patent for camera on Apple Watch. May add Face ID. Apple was recently granted patent for various Apple Watch technologies, including the addition of a camera capable of photographing the user, hinting at a potential addition of Face ID. The patent also detailed how an Apple Watch band could be outfitted with various sensors, including EMG sensor. It would be able to measure muscle activity, especially for sports performance.